So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to spoof Pokemon Go in Android without any root. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So as you can see here that I have already been using this spoofed out version of Pokemon Go on my very account, and as you can see there's no bans, no anything whatsoever. So it's pretty simple to do, and I'll teach you how to do it. So in these simple steps that you'll have to follow, you'll just have to follow through this journey that we're gonna do. So here, as you can see that I can move around freely by just tapping around. It's pretty fun doing so. So I'll be explaining the technical features too. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is basically actually go into your browser and going to this page right here. So all you have to do is go to pgsharp.com. So home pgsharp. So you can enjoy Pokemon Go anywhere and anytime. So it's easy to use, no root required. So it will automatically install this in your device, in your Android devices. So here's the free version. It's going to explain to you the basics of what you have in your account. So you have teleport, joystick, auto walk, favorites, enhanced throw, counter, inventory IV, caught preview, custom GPX, 100 IV feed, and yet nearby radar. So here you have your standard edition too, which will give you more access and better control of your Pokemon Go account. So you can actually have two phones. All features are free. All coordinates are free too. So the quick catch is also enabled here. Skip animations, block non-shiny, auto transfer on catch, and many more. So all you have to do is just press this download button, and as you can see, it's loading up and it's downloading the file already. So as you can see right there, it's downloading it already. So my PG Sharp is already downloading. It's 300 MB on my phone, but I'll be showing you already here how it is here. So the Pokemon Go application is already launched in my phone. So let's explore the features. So that's just how you download it. Once you have downloaded it from there, all you have to do is install it, and there you go. You're ready to go. So here, as you can see, you will see the basic stuff. So I just press this star button right here, go to your settings, and as you can see, I have a PG Sharp that's for free. So you have custom shortcuts, spoofing location, your speed, your joystick. You can also hide PG Sharp at all times. You can also hide your trainer name. You can also do your inventory IV, encounter IV, caught preview, enhanced throw. For your enhanced throw, you'll be throwing Pokeballs in here. So excellent curveball, you can on those AR plus and whatsoever. So there's also auto feed encounter. So if you have encountered a Pokemon and you don't want to do the process of feeding a berry manually, you can do this and you can just on it and it will feed the pinup berry automatically. So you also have your map, your double tap to walk and double tap to teleport. So you also have your nearby radar, your quick sniper 1, and the quick sniper 2 is only for the premium version. You have your cooldown timer, your gift assistant, and your block non-shiny. So the rest of the features are only for the premium version for $5 each. So basically, in your $5, you will get your quick catch, skip cutscene, quick load map, spawn booster, auto discard items, transfer and catch, virtual go plus, instant beat team rocket, and raid and gym battle assist. You also have your quest assistant, buddy assistant, and other things like that. So you can also show your PvP rank right here. So it's not available with a free license. So there you go. So this is the nearby radar one. So as you can see, you have your nearby Pokemon with 100 IV. You can capture those, you can teleport to them. Then you also have your raids right here. So I'm going to do a raid real quick. So I have lost a raid, to be honest. There you go. So the raid, I have teleported there. So let's do a raid right here. So in this version of Pokemon Go, It's pretty basic, it's pretty simple. It still has the original features like so, but it's only with the teleport features and other features like that that you essentially need for Pokemon Go. So I advise you to use this very cautiously, since you might get banned. I have been banned once already for not following the regulations and rules here in PG Sharp. So all you have to do is, once you have teleported for a distance in Pokemon Go, there's a 2-hour countdown or timer cooldown, so until you can teleport again to a new location. So there, if you have violated that, it might give you a warning, and it will give you a pretty good ban for doing so if not followed. So I've been banned here already for 7 days in the past for not following the rules and regulations. So as you can see, it functions very pretty similarly like a normal Pokemon Go. You have your timer here for monitoring anything else that you have done. So I'm gonna do a raid right here. The raid is still as like usual. Nothing has really changed except the new update, like the ready button. So check out that video too. We have made that the ready button with the new update, so if it's gonna affect your raid at all. So as you can see here, you have to walk to interact closer to the gym and stuff like that. So I think that I have actually teleported earlier and not obeyed the rules, so I might get banned for doing this. So oh, actually, let's rejoin the battle. Oh, it looks like I've teleported earlier, and as you can see, I've been a victim, and I have to learn my lesson here. So I forgot that I have teleported earlier, and I have not passed the 2 hours yet. So I cannot encounter other Pokemon yet, or capture other Pokemon. So if I try to capture this Onix right here, it will not allow me to do so, since I'm in the timer cooldown. As you can see, it said fled, since I am not allowed to capture this Pokemon yet, because I might get banned by doing so actually too. So basically, this is how the spoof version of Pokemon Go works. So as you can see there's also cooldowns. So there's 120 minutes, the 2 hours I've been talking about. So there you go, guys. Those are just the features here in Pokemon Go. So you have it at your map too. So in case you want to go somewhere else, you want to teleport. As you can see, I'm in Bangkok right now. I'm in Thailand. So perhaps you want to go somewhere to the North Americans. So you want to go to Delaware. All you have to do is teleport right there, and you are there. And there's my red timer countdown as usual. So there you go, guys. That is how you install and use the spoof version of Pokemon Go in your Android devices. If you like this video, I hope to see you again next time, and thank you for watching this video.